This is a great one for you. Whoa, I missed it. Aaron, what the heck? My name's Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and today I'm gonna teach you how to do a fakie big spin. This is a great trick. It is a beginner trick. Where it fits up in the lineup, I'm not exactly sure, because there's a couple skills that you need before you do this. You definitely need to have shove-its. You definitely need to have fakie 180s, or half cabs as we call them, and I'm gonna show you all of these. And then we're basically gonna put that together. Fakie shove plus a backside 180 going fakie. It's almost easier to show you than explain it. Okay, so first things first. Before you start skating, no matter what, you wanna do a little warm up, get your stretches in. I'm not gonna go over that all with you, but start out with that. And then get pushing, right? Good. Now, you're ready. So, first you're gonna learn shove-its like that. If you don't have that down, don't try fakie big spin. You're not ready for fakie big spin. You need to have regular shove-its like that. Now, we're gonna turn to rolling fakie, which is this direction. And we're gonna do that shove-it, okay? Fakie shove-it, first things first. Just a little guy, just like that. So you're gonna be rolling fakie, have your back foot there, just give it a little shove, and your front foot is close to that board. Your front foot on this trick is the control, and it's very important you understand that because it's going to come into play when we do the full fakie big spin. Okay, so you want to give yourself a couple of these. Really get that down. Nice, easy, little, yellow, different. Fakie shove it. Whoa, I missed it. Watch out for that. You're going to get me in a game of skate. Fakie shove, right? There we go. Good, now I'm going to do a half cab, which is rolling fakie and doing a 180 that way. And I'm gonna show you how the shove it and the half cab fit together to make the big spin. This trick is gonna be a lot easier when you understand all these little pieces broken down. Okay, rolling fakie, I'm gonna turn the upper body. Just give it a little pop. This is one of the easiest 180s for beginners to learn, one of the easiest ones. Okay, so again, rolling fakie like this, just a little pop and turn. Yes, I love it. Regular, this would be a backside 180. Whoa! So I'm gonna do that same rotation fakie, which is funny because now my front is facing forward. Like that. I believe this to be the easiest 180. If you're a brand new skater and you're like, I wanna learn a 180, try this one. But you have to be able to roll fakie. You should do a fakie ollie first, but this is a great one for you. Good, now, you ready? Bada boom, bada bing. Like, Aaron, what the heck? You didn't even pop your tail on the ground. Exactly. So this is interesting because you're rolling, and because you're pivoting off of the front truck, you already have this forward momentum going like that. So the way to start practicing this trick is just roll and just pivot. Just do a fakie pivot. Just roll and pivot that way. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So you're gonna just simply roll, pivot. That's it. Step one, the roll and the pivot. Boom. Now, we're gonna turn that into the half cab with a little pop. Good, now, we're gonna do a little shove it. Just like that, right? Good, now, we're gonna shove, do the combined shove it with the pop and the 180, all combined. Simple math. One shove it plus one 180 equals one big spin. They're like, Aaron, but the board did a 360. It's true. So your shove it is gonna have to go double time, a little bit harder, because your board has got to do a full 360 this time. But because you're already doing a 180, this is how you gotta think about it. You can think about it either like a shove, then a 180, or a 180, then a shove. But because your back foot is popping first like that, it's easier and better, I believe, to think of it like a shove and then a 180. I'm gonna show you like basically doing these two tricks separately. And I'm gonna show you how they like kind of wind up and how when you put it all together, it just becomes so weirdly easy. Like it is actually so easy. Okay, fakie shove, land, 180. You can pivot off that front truck all day, all night, pivot. Ready? Shove, 180. You see how I break those two down? Now, we're essentially just doing that faster. And it feels like when I do this trick, it almost feels like the simplicity of, oh, I'm just doing a pivot and a shove it in there. And it kind of is like that. Now I'm gonna show you the opposite way to think about it, whereas like turn a 180, then do a shove it. I hope this is making sense. Part of this video, like probably 60% of this video, is me trying to get you to understand how I think about the tricks. Because if you really understand how the tricks work, you can learn them and progress quite easily. Okay, so now I'm gonna pivot first. Ready? Pivot, shove it. Do it again. Pivot, shove it. Now let's put that all together and do it really fast. Same thing. You see the ways to think about it? You see how simple it is? Now, I'm gonna do that with a pop. Or I wanna do more of a like proper pop to big spin. That's more simply stating it, that's just sort of a pop shove it with the turn, right? Not my best one. Let's try it again. It just works weirdly well. And then this foot, which is the control foot, and it's the control foot because what you have to watch out for on this trick is your board going primo, either of these directions. So it could go up like that and you could land hard on your feet and that could be rough on you, right? But your front foot here, pretty stable on the board, pretty flat. And then when you pop and spin that board around, if your foot is flat, it will just carry on forward and you can hold that board underneath you. I hope that makes sense. I think it does, and I think that will help you a lot if you really understand that. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, fakie, big spin. Now I'm holding that front foot on the board. I'm holding it there as the control, and this trick just gets so easy. And it's a good trick. Like if you're a beginning skater and you're playing skate against another bunch of beginning skaters, you got your shove it down, you got your half cab, you got that 180, you can do a big spin. And probably the people you're skating against won't be able to. You see what I mean? Such a fun trick. Once you get it like that, you can get it into manual. You can do another 180 at the end and do like a full caballerial 360 with the body. And there's just infinite variations that you can do. The big spin is an awesome trick. You guys should absolutely learn it. I know you will. Get out there and have a blast learning how to ride a skateboard. And if you need any more help, join the Braille Skateboarding Academy. Show me your videos on there and I will personally teach you every single step of the way. Click that link below, join the Braille Skateboarding Academy, and I'll see you out there pushing.